Hi, this is a quick video to let you know about the NetApp Storage Exam and Training Prize giveaway that I'm running this week, and it really is a great prize to win. I'm going to be running the same competition every month this year and announcing the winner here on my YouTube channel, so I recommend that you subscribe and enable notifications so that way you'll find out if you've won and you'll also hear every time I'm running the competition again. If you do win, what you get is I will pay for your NetApp NCDA exam. That is the most in-demand qualification in storage. And to pass the exam, you're going to need the training to be able to do that. So you'll also get my NetApp Storage Complete course. That is the highest rated NetApp course online from student reviews. And finally, you'll also get AlphaPrep practice tests to make sure that you pass the exam the first time. So you're going to get everything that you need to prove that you are a storage expert here. Before I move on, I want to say a shout out to AlphaPrep and thank you for contributing to the giveaway. Okay, next I want to show you how to enter the giveaway because it's not actually completely obvious. So come to this page here. You can see the link above my head. I'll also put the link in the description as well. And then when you're on here, I'll just scroll down a little and you can see there's a qualifying question, 2 + 2 = 4. Just enter that to show that you're not a robot. And then on the next page, enter your name and your email address. And then click on enter. And when you've done that, it looks like you've entered, right? But you can see that right now you've actually got 0 entries. And the reason for that is that the system will send you a confirmation email message. You have to click the link in that email to confirm your email address, just to make sure that nobody's entering bogus email addresses in here. Once you've done that, you will see that this changes to you have 1 entry. But you can actually get loads more entries really easily, which will give your chances of winning a really good boost. The first thing to do is down at the bottom here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Facebook, and follow me on Twitter. So just click the buttons over here on the right to do that. And when you do that, you will get 10 entries each. So that's going to give you an additional 30 entries just for a few mouse clicks. So it's a no-brainer to do that. The other thing that you want to do is to share the competition as well. You see a bit further up here, there's buttons that you can click to share the competition on your social media. There's also a lucky URL here as well. You can copy and paste this and share it via email, also in study groups and forums and other places online. What happens is when anybody clicks on any of your sharing links, they'll come to this page, and when they enter the competition, you will again get an additional 10 extra entries. So the more that you share the competition, the better the chance that you have of winning. Okay, that was everything that I needed to tell you here. So get your entry in and best of luck.